Hey guys, how's it going? Here I have a 2009 Scion XB. It's a drastic redesign versus the previous generation XB. A lot more smoother lines, a little bit more appealing to the eyes. But I'm at Brandon Reed's Auto World in Monroe, North Carolina. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the XB. Start it up, show the engine, a bunch of the features on the interior, as well as the exterior. So without further ado, go ahead and get started up and let it run. It's a very quiet vehicle. Easy steering. And we'll go ahead and turn on the headlights as well as the hazards. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood. It's got an automatic driver's side window. Got a 2.4 liter, 16 valve, 4-cylinder with variable valve timing. Pretty nice looking wheels. Everything, cup holder, fuel tank release, full manual driver and passenger seat, plenty of storage space. can't see it that good, but the interior lighting's almost like a pale red color. It's got 39,000 miles.
Pre-screened Home Pro with confidence. Go to metrolina.servicemagic.com. It's quick.
It's got a heck of a stereo. You got your radio controls on the steering wheel. Really nice. Got your cup holders, auxiliary input, iPod. Driver's side armrest. The passenger seat doesn't have one. Sounds great. Now we'll go ahead and shut it off. Very easy lift gate. Lots of cargo room. These seats also fold down. Lots of cargo space. I'll put those back up in just a second. Pretty good rear seat room. The back seat is actually very comfortable. Good support. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour on the 2009 Scion XB. It is a pretty awesome vehicle, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely an improvement on its predecessor. So, until next time, see you guys later.